Saturday, March the 24th, and our word for today is faith. I step forward in faith, and my life is blessed. Throughout his ministry, Jesus shared words of encouragement, reminding us that faith, even the size of a mustard seed, can bring about positive results. Faith is more than a feeling. It is an action, a conscious choice to turn to and trust in God. Faith is taking the first step, even when you don't see the whole staircase. These words of Martin Luther King Jr. emphasize the importance of trusting in my higher power as I take the first step. When I put feet beneath my faith, I am not a passive participant in life. I am a positive, faith-filled, active person. God life within me creates a life of meaning and purpose, and I step forward with the assurance that my divine nature guides me along life's path. Matthew's Gospel, chapter 8, verse 13 says, "And to the centurion Jesus said, 'Go, let it be done for you according to your faith.'